In this demonstration, we're going to completely remove DevTest Solutions and its related files from a Linux system. In this example, we're also removing the previously installed demo server applications. Two directories are removed during uninstall: the Lisa home directory, containing all of the DevTest executables, and the main log files directory, sometimes called the Lisa temp directory. If you forgot where these directories are located, you can find them by bringing up Workstation on the local system, selecting Help, and then selecting Runtime Information. When we do this, we get the list of system properties. The two of interest are Lisa Home, which is shown to be /op/ca/devtest, and the other is Lisa Tempter, which is at root Lisa temp version number, which in our case is 10.2.4. So let's close Workstation. We can see in this terminal window the Lisa temp directory. We've just shut down the DevTest executables, so we're ready to proceed with uninstall. We can see in this terminal window the Lisa home directory, opca devtest. To start the uninstall, we run the uninstall executable in this directory. The uninstall window is displayed. To do our uninstall, we click Next. And since we want to delete all files, we select Delete All Files and Next. So uninstall is started and is completed. So at completion, we click Finish. So that completes our uninstall of DevTest Solutions on a Linux server. For more detailed information about this product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.